So, good news, you have obtained a quote and now you'd like to make a purchase. Here's what you need to know. Complete your purchase directly with the local dealer. This means you pay and issue your purchase order directly with the dealer. On your purchase order, include both Sourcewell member number and the vendor's contract number. Including the vendor's Sourcewell contract number is validation for your records to show that you purchased from a competitive solicited contract. Sourcewell is funded by administrative fees paid by the awarded vendors. When Sourcewell awards a contract, vendors agree to pay a percentage of their sales to Sourcewell to cover the costs related to procurement process and to offset general operating costs. As a government entity, these funds also contribute to Sourcewell's reinvestment into student and community success. Referencing your member number to your PO and invoice connects you and the vendor's paperwork. This keeps compliance simple and allows good record keeping in the event of an audit. And that's it. You've joined more than 50,000 members who have saved time and money through Sourcewell's cooperative purchasing contracts. We value our relationship with you and are committed to understanding your needs and providing comprehensive solutions that will make you successful today and a long time into the future. If you have additional questions, contact our membership experts who are willing to guide you on your path to a successful purchase with a Sourcewell contract. Thank you for making Sourcewell the best part of who we are today.